Where are my blue socks? I have a meeting.
They are where they always are, David. Under the pile of things you said you would clean up 3 weeks ago.
I was busy, Emily.
Dad, can you please be quiet? I am trying to concentrate. This exam is very important.
She's not studying, she's looking at clothes online.
Shut up, Peter. At least I don't spend 5 hours a day playing video games. Everyone, stop! This house is full of noise, but no one is actually talking to each other.
Wait. What is this?
Where did you find that?
Under the sofa. It looks like the key to the blue cupboard in the hallway. The one we haven't opened since we moved here.
Is there gold inside? Or maybe a ghost? Don't be silly, Peter. It's probably just old blankets. We shouldn't open it. Some things are better left ignored.
Why, Emily? We always fight about small things. Socks, dishes, money. Maybe the big problem is that we keep secrets.
It's not a secret, David. It's just memories.
Let's see. I forgot I used to play this. I stopped when I got that promotion 10 years ago.
Mom? Wow. Did you paint this? It's beautiful. Why did you stop?
Because I thought I had to be a perfect mom. I thought I didn't have time for hobbies anymore.
We spend all our time yelling at each other about the present, but we forgot who we were.
I thought you guys were just boring parents. I didn't know you had dreams.
I play games because when you guys argue, it's the only way I can escape the noise.
Oh, Peter. I'm so sorry. We thought we were just having a normal discussion.
It's not normal if it makes our children want to hide. Does your family argue about small things to avoid talking about big things? Have you ever felt like Peter? Tell us your story in the comments.
Today's vocabulary are 1. To concentrate, to give all your attention to something. 2. Ignored, to stay away from or not notice something. Resentment, a feeling of anger because you feel something is unfair. Grammar point, used to. We use used to for past habits that are not true now. David used to play guitar. Emily used to paint. What did you used to do that made you happy?
From now on, the blue cupboard stays open. No more hiding our old dreams.
And no more silly arguments. If we are angry, we say why we are angry. No more yelling about socks.
Can I show you my game? I built a house for us in the world I created.
Only if you help me finish this painting first.
Family problems happen in every house. But a house is just walls. A home is where you can be yourself without fear.
Thank you for joining us. Remember, don't let your blue cupboard stay locked. Talk to your family today. Bye-bye. See you next week.